Yes. Been
Yes.
2 months.
Yeah. 2 months. I'm like, 2 months. Yes. Before my brother, he was like looking at my mum and he goes, so, and then he goes, woof. And he all stopped, he said I was laughing. He's just like, so, woof. Oh, my cheeks hurt. Sarah's very pretty.
No, Talia is.
Sarah.
Talia.
Sarah.
Talia.
Sarah.
Talia.
Sarah.
Talia.
Sarah.
Talia.
Sarah.
Talia.
Sarah.
Talia. You're making it go up.
No, that's you.
No, that's you.
See, when I talk, it's really little. See, when you talk. Sarah makes the bar go up.
I don't.
Whoa.
Sir.
Do you remember that kinky werewolf? The
No.
werewolf?
Oh yeah. I was looking at your pictures and then it goes, the unicorn was chasing after me.
Yeah, do you know that funny show on YouTube, Charlie the Unicorn?
No.
Oh, there's this funny thing, and it's a guy named Charlie, and these 2 unicorns, they're like, come to County Mountain! And they're like, we should watch them. We're gonna watch Charlie and the Unicorn.